Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you have seen by the title, I'm doing an autumn winter Boohoo haul. You guys loved my autumn winter hauls last year, so I'm bringing you another one, of course. I've got so many good autumn winter bits. I've done so many Boohoo shops at the moment, but I've picked my favourite stuff that you need. If that's something you'll be interested in, keep on watching. Apologies for interrupting the video, but I just wanted to quickly speak to you about HelloFresh. If you've never heard about HelloFresh before, I'll quickly explain. It's basically food recipes sent directly to your house. I think it's every week they change the menu. You get to choose however many recipes you want and it'll be delivered straight to your door. It's great because it means you're not wasting any food. Sometimes if you were to buy like a whole loaf of bread when you don't need a whole loaf of bread, but you buy it just for a recipe, it then goes to waste, but everything comes in the exact measurements. Literally everything on the recipe you basically get. It's also great because then you can switch up your meals all the time. You don't have to think about going food shopping because you've done it at the start of the week or whenever, and it's going to be delivered straight to you, so you don't have to leave your house. Even better. It's also a great way to know new recipes and find different things to eat, because I know my dad struggles so much with thinking what to eat that day. Things like this can give you ideas. I also have a discount code which I'll pop on the screen that you can use to get 50% off your first box and then 35% off your next 3. So don't say I don't treat you. I've chosen 3 meals for the week. I'm gonna make one of them for my boyfriend tonight, and then I think I'm going to leave the other 2 for my dad because he mainly cooks, and then he can cook them for everyone. Do you know what I mean? So I chose 3 recipes and I chose it to serve 2 people. You can choose it to serve however many people, but I'm just cooking it for my boyfriend. My boyfriend eats for 2. So I got to pick a snack, which is cute. Ciabatta pizza. The ciabatta is huge, by the way. So it comes with the picture, which I love seeing the pictures of the foods. I just find it makes me want to cook it more. I don't know. It says how long it takes, 20 to 25 minutes. That's just like cooking time. Shows you everything that comes in it, and then the recipe with like a step-by-step picture. I'm like a child. Like I read pictures, you know. Then I got Pill inspired prawns, a sirloin steak with hand-cut rosemary chips. You're making the chips yourself with potatoes. Cute. Again with the pictures and the recipe on the back. And then this is the one I'm going to make tonight for my boyfriend. Spiced barbecue pork quesadillas. Wow. Oh look, one of your 5 a day. Treat yourself. Takes 20 minutes. Oh, it says on here rapid. Go on then. Again with that. Looks super easy. I'll be back with my din-dins cooked. Right, it might not look like much, but I tried. I put some little tomatoes on the side because, you know, we're chefs around here. I was actually surprised at how many quesadillas I actually got out of this. I think I ended up making 4, but I had so much spare. He absolutely loved it, bless him. He took it to work the next day and everything. Wow, look at me. I'm such a good girlfriend. Item. I literally wore this earlier. I went on a walk earlier and I was like, need. Right. Look at her. It's a Borg puffer. If you've seen the one from H&M that was limited edition, literally the same thing, but it's got this beigey colour on it. I actually prefer this because it reminds me of the North Face one a bit more. I love that because I love beige anyway. And it's such good quality. Like, it's so thick and it's got the cuffed arms. I love a cuffed arm. I just feel like it fits better. It's super warm. Honestly, I was sweating on my walk. I was so hot. I've literally only got a jumper on, not even a t-shirt under it. And I was so hot. It's so comfortable and big and cozy. I didn't size up. I did grab a size 8 because that was the smallest size. So I wouldn't size up unless you want it super oversized. You'll see how it fits me on the trial clip anyway. My references are in the description box. Same with all the links and stuff. But I just wore some beige seamless leggings and a beige hoodie. But if you have anything this colour, you can wear white, any type of nude, beige, just unreal. Such a good coat for like college and stuff like that. It's just so comfortable. The inside is just the normal coat material. I don't know, nylon. I love a gilet and I love chocolate brown. So I got this chocolate brown gilet. How unreal is that? It's so nice. Such good quality. This is actually from Miss Pap. Miss Pap is now sold on Boohoo. I think they still have their own site. You can actually shop it on there. I used to have one of these from Zara. It was more of like a cool tone chocolate, but this is a bit warmer and this is a bit longer. It is cropped, but if it's kind of mid-length, I prefer that. I feel like it's easier for when you wear hoodies. Again, I'd wear it with something like this or chocolate brown, white. So easy to style. If you have chocolate brown leggings, chocolate brown seamless set, chocolate tracksuit, it's so nice and it's really padded and comfortable. Also, if you're new to this channel, I do my hauls quite quickly. I kind of just tell you the key points about an item, show you a trial clip, and we skip on. Because I do have a lot of items to show, I just find it quicker and I just find it easier and better to watch. If you don't like that, I'm sorry, that's just how we roll around here. We're quick, we're fast, and we show what's needed. Another Zara dupe. Go on then, Boohoo, with the dupes. Honestly, they're all dupes for different places. Right, look at this. It reminds me of like a little North Pole worker. I don't know who. Who works in the North Pole? Elves? Workers? God knows. A dupe for the Zara one. However, the colour is different. This is more of like a warmer, lighter brown. The other one's more cool toned brown. But I like this one just as much if you don't want to spend the same. Sorry, it just cut me off. My card was full. What was I saying? I still think it's around like £30–40, but it is cheaper than the Zara ones. And so it is a gilet, as you can see. You'll see it better on the triangle clip. My holding up is not well. Not well? My speaking's not well neither. Not good. It is super soft. Like the whole inside is fluffy. Honestly, guys, you need this. It's so nice. I'd wear this with like Uggs. You can wear it with jeans, flares, anything with a seamless set works. So much going on. It feels really nice quality as well. Super happy with that find. I saw it and I was like, what? Oh, before I forget to show you, I also got that brown gilet in this kind of nudie colour here. So exact same comments as the last one, it's just in a nude colour. Although the undertone of this is slightly pinky, I don't really mind, to be honest. I would still wear it. If you struggle to style the brown one, the nude one could be an easier option for you. Love both. They're literally just the same thing. I also got a pair of boots. These are mispack again, but sold on Boohoo. Croc boots. I have a white pair of these and a cream pair. The white pair I've been wearing so much recently. I've been wearing them with denim shorts, oversized t-shirts, skirts. I've been wearing them so much at the moment. So I wanted a black pair because they just go with everything. I'm definitely going to bring these to Venice, I think. And because it's like a block heel, which is quite thick, so comfortable and easy to walk in. Literally, I could wear boots all day long with this heel. It is pointed toe as well, which I like. It's croc and it's shiny but not like bin bag. It's kind of a sheen. I don't know. As I've got lights on, it does look a bit more shiny. It is a zip to get on, which is so much easier. I hate the ones that you got to slide on. So annoying. But really nice for autumn winter with blazers, knit dresses, stuff like that. I love a shacket at the moment. So I got this check shacket. I think I've owned this before from somewhere and I sold it, but I like shackets again now. This is a khaki olive greeny colour. Anything white will go with these. You can also wear flares, a beanie, Uggs. Such an easy thing that's really nice, thick quality, really soft on the insides. They have this in pink, they have this in blue, but I thought the olivey colour was more autumn winter, and you can layer them so well. So you can wear like a long sleeve bodysuit, then you can wear a t-shirt, and then you can wear a hoodie, and then you can wear this, so you're really warm. Add a scarf in there if you're feeling fun. Okay, so I think in my last Boohoo haul, I'm not sure which one I'm posting first because I've had to do two because I have so much stuff. I got a pinstripe blazer in grey. I wanted it in the black. I thought it was really cute. It's quite sophisticated as well. I have recently got some loafers, which I'm not sure if I like yet. I've caved into the trend. I don't know if I actually like it, but I was thinking maybe some ankle white socks, the loafers, black skirt. Would it look cute with this? What do you think? It does strangely. It's the same thing as that. It feels a little bit thinner. I don't know why. It just does. I think this is from the petite range as well. I did have to roll the sleeves, which I do with most of my blazers because I am shorter, but it's got shoulder padding and it's a really nice length. I just think it's so sophisticated and really nice, and it's easier to style than the grey one. Then getting into hoodies because, oh yeah, I don't know if I said, this is actually from Boohoo. It's not from this haul, but it's from the DSGN range. Another of the DSGN range. Why is that such a mouthful? Boohoo's that range is so good. I have so many of their tracksuits and hoodies. So I just got this forest green one because I have a forest green pair of, where is it? Let me look in the viewfinder. Up there, forest green pair of dunks. And I thought with some flares, a beanie, oversized bomber jacket, this would look really nice with it. It does have some white writing on the back, which I like a back print. Back print's so nice. So it just says DSGN, ready to wear collection. Feels quite nice. It is more oversized than I would have hoped. If things are too oversized, you can just tuck them up into your bra or into your trousers, or tie them with a hairband, just flick it up. These jumpers also look nice with cream cargos. I then got this black knitted dress. I think this is actually from the petite range. It is quite see-through knit because it's not a super thick one. It's just your general material. As it's on the cheaper side, what do you expect? But you can just wear again, long sleeve bodysuit, some tights, some shorts under just to keep that warmth in and to show that it's not see-through. When you have like a big coat on anyways, you probably won't see it. But I just thought it's really nice and it's a nice length. It is a roll neck. Black long sleeve knit dress is so staple. Like any knit dress is staple, but I feel like black one's really nice with aviators. Boohoo's coats are such good quality. Like I've never had one that's not good. So I already own a black aviator, but it is a bit longer and oversized. But I wanted one that's more kind of fitted. So I got this one. I don't know if it was labelled as cropped, but it's not cropped on me. Look how fluffy and soft that is. So nice. So nice. I did roll the sleeves on mine. Not on this one, but on the other sleeve. I did roll them just because they're a bit long for me because I do have shorter arms. But if you have longer arms, it's fine. It's got this belt on it, which I will take off. I take off all my aviators because they're so annoying. I mean, when you're walking, it's rattling. And I love how the collar's quite like present, you know, so good for winter wonderland because aviators are so thick. Like this is amazing quality. Then I actually got something from the Kourtney Kardashian collection. Sorry if this has fluff on it, there's a coat in there that's getting fluff all over it. I wasn't sure on the Kourtney Kardashian collection actually. There was a few pieces in there that I thought, oh, that could be my style, but I never picked up anything. But I saw this and I was like, that is a bit of me. You could style this a few ways. You could of course just go with flares, leggings. Can we talk about that print as well? It says Blink 182 182. I don't know. And then it does have a back print as well. I love a back print. And it doesn't have drawstrings, which is my favourite thing because I hate drawstrings. So obviously you can do it with like leggings, which is super simple. Or you can do it with some like thigh-high boots. I feel like that's quite cool. It's really nice quality. Like it feels heavy and it is oversized, so I wouldn't size up if you're wanting an oversized fit. But if you was to wear it as a dress, I think maybe you'd need cycling shorts under. I love the graphic print on it. It's just so different to what Boohoo have done before, so I feel like it was quite a good collab. I know people were like, what? But I feel like she just gave a bit of edge to Boohoo because Boohoo's not normally like that. They don't really have many edgy pieces. I mean, me calling that edgy, get a grip. Obviously had to get the aviator in the beige. You know by now I had to get the aviator in the beige. How unreal is that colour? The fluff is shedding a bit, but it's an aviator. It's like fake fur. It's gonna shed a bit. The exact same, like the whole inside from even the sleeves, it's all fluffy and fur lined. You could do like a beige dress under it if you don't want to go with the whole trousers. Again from Miss Pat, I've got this really nice coat. I did wear this on my TikTok and thought I kind of looked like the Michelin Man because it was a bit oversized. It is in a 6, but it's just quite big fitting. Again with the Borg, I really think Borg's going to be the thing this autumn winter. That's just reminded me, I've got another coat up there, but I got it out for a TikTok outfit. Love the Borg, so in trend. Again with cuffed arms, just amazing. Then the nylon-y material, it is longer so it covers the bum, and then it's got a tie waist to kind of cinch it in, which I like because it was so oversized. I felt like it needed that cinching in. If you have any nude faux leather leggings, some nude boots, white knitted jumper, really cute. But I definitely think this would keep you really warm, and it does have pockets and they are real pockets, so that's a bonus. I'm just gonna grab this coat. Guys, I still can't get over how fast I'm going through this haul. Right, so I said I love an aviator. A Borg aviator. Was obsessed. This fits perfectly, by the way. It fits a tiny bit oversized, like a tiny bit, but it just fits just right for me. So if you want it bigger, then size up. Literally just all Borg. The inside is not Borg, it's just that lined material. It does zip up, but I like to leave these open. I wore this with a cable knit scarf, a off-white beanie, some neutral high knee socks, some Uggs and a beige jumpsuit. It's just such a cute, comfy outfit. And I've never seen a Borg aviator before. I don't know if you guys have. Mistake me if I'm wrong because I haven't seen one personally. But I'm so happy. Like, why is no one else getting these? Because they're so nice. And I was so happy with that because it's really good quality. And of course it's Boohoo, it's a good price as well. And then I also got this blazer. I don't know if this actually fits. This was at the bottom of the bag and I forgot about it. It's a white petite blazer. I thought maybe as either a blazer dress or with some long, speak so fast, I was about to say some long blazer trousers. Suit trousers. I filmed so much today. My voice hurts. I'm losing my words. Padded shoulders, and if you can see that middle bit, that's what really drew me in because I thought that looked really expensive. Depending how long it is, no, I don't think I'll be able to get away with that as a dress, but I was thinking some suit trousers. Feels quite nice quality. I think that's all I got. Oh no. Guys, there's so much in this bag. What's this? First impressions. Oh, okay, so I've got a long-sleeved black crop shirt. Is that Miss Bat? No, that's Boohoo. Size 4, petite as well. I thought that would look quite nice because I got some sequin shorts recently and I thought a black shirt would look quite nice. I have shirts from Boohoo already, which are really nice quality and they fit nice and they wash well as well. So just got that. That's fun. I mean, look at the size of my pile. How did I just get through all of that in the space of, I've been recording for 14 minutes. This haul is literally going to be about 5 minutes long. I'm sorry, I just speak at the speed of lightning. I don't know. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this haul. I loved filming it. Let me know if you want any more autumn winter Boohoo hauls or any hauls in general. Don't forget to use my code for HelloFresh as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.